Intract has an amazing feature where you can upload images, videos, or create different folder for all the events that have taken place in the institution. To do so, click on the gallery feature. Here you can upload individual images, videos, or you can create a folder for different events accordingly. To do so, click on the add sign at the bottom right corner. First, we'll upload an image. Click on the image and give it a caption. Click on attach media and select the media that you want to upload and click on submit. This will upload the image on the gallery. Now, if you want to upload video, click on the add sign at the bottom right corner and then select video. Here you will have to give a caption and then click on attach media. Now paste a link of the video that you have been uploading on the YouTube and then click on add video. Then click on submit. The video will be added under the gallery post and you can watch it from here. Now to upload a folder or to create a folder, click on the folder option and give a folder a title and click on submit. It will create a different folder and under the folder you can add images, videos that you have. Just whenever you click on the folder, you will see the images and the videos that have been uploaded under the folder. You can also delete or edit a post in gallery. To do so, click on the image or the video that you want to edit or delete and then click on the top three dots on the top right corner. Select either edit or delete from here and you can either delete the post or you can edit the post. Students can even download the image from here by clicking on the download button.